What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you right now. It's a 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. This truck is absolutely gorgeous. It's brand new. The truck has like 4,000 miles on it. This is another Leo sale for you. This truck is getting the major package. It's getting a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit today. The upper control arms, the billet ball joint caps in black, suspension max torsion key leveling kit, the rear shims to level the truck out. And today we're going to put 40, 15, 50, 22s on them with a set of 1.5-inch wheel spacers. We're going to do a mud flap delete on this truck, and we're going to do some trimming. This truck is going to be amazing. The customer's name is Ross, and he says that I don't have any BUBBA builds on the channel, and he's right. I need this on here, so very excited to bring this to you today. This truck's brand new. Like I said, there's no dirt in it. There's not a speck of dirt on the outside of it. It's white. It's beautiful. I couldn't have asked for a better truck to do this to, so stay tuned for the process. Also, I'm seeing like 2 other trucks in the parking lot that I know are getting videos today, and one of those trucks is the exact same color, exact same truck as this. So hopefully I don't mess the videos up, but I'm going to get out and show you what the truck looks like right now. Stay tuned. This truck is absolutely stunning. It is a brand spanking new, not a speck of dirt on it. I don't know if I've ever seen one this clean. 2026 brand spanking new truck. This is what you want to get. I mean, if you get a brand new Denali Ultimate, first thing you want to do is put a lift kit on it and put some nice tires and wheels on it. He's doing it right on this one. Drove all the way from Louisiana. He sat all the way down in the boot, the very bottom. That's 10 hours, I think, from here. I think he said maybe 12. Extremely far. I want to say I appreciate him for doing that. We're going with a 40-inch Toyo RT Pro tire on this truck. It's going to be huge. The tire's been sitting in my office for like 2-3 weeks. It's the biggest set of tires we have in there right now, on the most aggressive looking set. The good thing about the Toyo RT Pro tire, though, is it's going to be fairly quiet. Now, I know this is a big size, and the treads are further apart than most of the smaller sizes, so there's no way that this size isn't going to be a little bit louder, but the tire still comes with a 45,000 mile warranty and all that, so this has got to be a nice, smooth ride on this truck. The wheels we're looking at here, I said that he had the OEM replica wheels, but I don't think this is a replica. This looks like a factory wheel, and I don't know that I've seen this yet before. You can tell a difference in the chrome, and you can tell a difference in the spoke of the wheel. Now, I may be completely wrong, and he may have bought these online and just put them on the truck, but what I think I'm looking at is a factory GM Goodyear tire, and I think that's a factory GM wheel. GMC center cap confirms it. I'm pretty sure that's a factory wheel. Anyways, it's chrome. It looks like PVD chrome to me, which is a little bit darker than the chrome that we sell. Hopefully this is high quality and GM has it figured out, because the aftermarket wheel manufacturers cannot figure out PVD for whatever reason. Like I said, the truck is brand new. It's not a speck of dirt on it. This is what you want when you start a big, nice build like this. There's no dirt on the mechanics' heads, and they love that. The lighting is great today for this. Super excited about it. It's a very overcast day in Georgia. Hopefully it don't rain all day on us. Even if it does, though, that's fine. We're doing the 7 to 9 inch McGaughys lift kit. We're going to be setting it at 9 inches, putting the upper control arms on it, the ball joint caps, like I said, the shims in the rear to level this truck out so that it looks nice. Those big tires with those wheel spacers are going to be, this is going to be a tall truck when we're done. Stay tuned. We're about to get it pulled in right now. Actually, let me show you the interior of this truck first. I guess you could say that all Denali Ultimates look the same, but they hit every time. That's nice. Just like that, with the power of YouTube magic, this truck is ready to go. This 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate looks amazing. We have not done one that looks like this yet. We're on a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with factory 22-inch chrome wheels with 40-inch Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. This truck is awesome. We put mud flap deletes on it. We did a little trimming. The truck does turn all the way now. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. I couldn't be happier with it. The truck is absolutely flawless. It's definitely a pioneer and a new sort of build. I think this is going to sell a lot after this video post. The new setup is really the factory wheels with big tires. That's kind of a thing we've been doing with the leveling kits. We've been putting 37s on with this factory wheel, and it looks awesome. If you put a wheel spacer on top of it, it makes it possible to run a big wide tire like this and everything to work out. This is the same 9-inch McGaughys lift kit that we run 37s on with a 26x14 wheel, and we have to do some trimming. This is a 40-inch tire, massive, way bigger. We're clearing on the spindle right here because of that wheel spacer. And then we are able to just trim about the same amount that we would trim if we were doing like 14 wides with 37s. We have our mud flap delete in place. It doesn't look like we had to do much back here at all, so it's actually clearing better than a 37 would on a 14 wide. It's pretty crazy because I think this is a better look. I think the trade-off that you get is insane. This might be the new big thing. Truck drives great too, by the way. The tires ride smooth. This is the McGaughys upper control arm right here. This is their reservoir shock. It's the M84 shock. It's engineered by McGaughys in California for these trucks specifically. There's our cross member again. Stainless steel accents on there right out of the box. Gloss black powder coat. The angles of the axle are amazing. That's exactly what you want with a truck like this. There's no stiff ride with this truck. It rides smooth like stock. Probably smoother now that the tires have so much cushion on them. Here's the kicker braces that come with it, or strut tensioners as McGaughys calls it. There's your torsion bar drop bracket. In the rear we have the reservoir shock M84s again. We have their lift block. We have their shims. Everything is level with this truck. The truck's giant. It really is. It's a lot bigger than the other trucks with the 37s. I really do like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm going to attach a quote for this job right after this. I didn't sell the wheels to this guy because he bought the truck with them on it, so I won't be attaching a price for wheels, but I do sell a replica wheel that looks next to identical to this, so if you guys want that to be added to it, just call me. I can make a custom quote for you. My name is Jake. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. The number here is 678-994-9180. Like I said, check that quote out right after this for the lift kit and the tires. I appreciate everybody watching.